We have my mom back with us today, Diane Hunter, and we were talking about those Callaways, and we love those Callaways because obviously they are the best realtors around. We love the trustworthiness and everything, and their website.
Yes, they are. They really are. They are just perfect realtors to have. And anybody out there that's looking to buy or sell a home needs to call them.
Yes.
They really do. And I've got another marvelous home in Scottsdale area that's nothing less than perfection to tell you about today.
Okay.
Okay. It is nestled in an intimate gated community that you'll fall in love with from the moment you arrive. An Eden Island kitchen, breakfast area, and dining room. It offers lots of options for whether you want casual or formal dining. The grand living room is light and bright with sliding glass doors and crystal clear windows. This lovely home has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and has over 3,500 square feet of living area.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's great. The family room has a deep wall of media built-ins and art niches, as well as stunning floor-to-ceiling gas stone fireplace. And now what I call the heart of the home, as you know, the fantastic Eden kitchen. It has rich cabinetry, gleaming slab countertops, and a sleek stainless steel appliance package. You'll just love cooking in there. Well, I would love cooking in there.
I was going to say, that'll be you cooking in there.
It would be. The master bath and bedroom suite is wonderful. The master suite is generous and yet cozy. Also a very sizable walk-in closet. And last but not least, let's take a look at the patio and backyard. It's a true desert oasis, an expansive covered patio that's great to entertain family and friends. Heated pebble finish pool and boulder water features. Everything that you could possibly want. And all of this for only $825,000. That's great, isn't it?
That is a steal. All right, well, people need to definitely check it out. Thanks for joining me again.
Thank you.